Said the world paints a picture that makes her wanna run, pull the stars out of the sky and load them into her gun. Live wire, broken and it's taking its toll. You can't reach what has never been touched, it's too cold, cause the sun don't shine for her. She said calmly, it's a fact that she learned to adapt and move on with it. I don't know if I should smile or not, or pull that icebox out of her chest and help her thaw, cause she fights like a lover but sleeps with the enemy and acts like she's only getting close just to empty me. Guinevere, another hook for the line, and a perfect little painting of disaster in its prime. And I love it solely cause it makes me feel alive. When she sets the world ablaze, to see the fire in my eyes. She's the lion in disguise as the prey in the pasture. Breakdown, build up, agony, the rapture. And look at you, the blood from it'll taste like wine. And fill that little glass that you hold up high. You wanna walk with a shovel and lime, try to bury every single little thing that ever made you feel alive. You're alone now, just the way you drew it in the dust, and the walls that protect you from ever showing your trust. And if I could show you what it's like from the inside, I'd open up that coffin you've been hiding in and speak like, you don't need to see the fire to smell the gasoline. Toss another lit match to the breeze. Burn it down, 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 Guinevere. You burn the whole world around you, and you don't need to huff the smoke for the cancer. Take another step away from the chance. Burn it down, 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 Guinevere. Then take a shower in its ashes. I wonder what happened to make you like this, break you and leave you throwing stones with a light stem. You got a smile on your face like a sliced wrist, and grin like you got a couple spikes in that ice kiss. You like it, you're just too afraid to say it, so break it into pieces and add it to your mosaic, and nail it into your heart, little artist, and protect it, and murder any perpetrator eyeing your investment. Cause love can't bite you if you keep it on a leash, fate can't catch you if you take away its feet. Life can't tell you shit without speech, so you hide with the lonely eyes on you couldn't see. You're alone, like the last dead petal on a rose, picked from the common ground just to watch it grow or die. Guinevere, the ghost in the night, you smell smoke, see the glow in her eyes. I tried to tell you, you don't need to see the fire to smell the gasoline. Toss another lit match to the breeze. Burn it down, 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 Guinevere. You burn the whole world around you, and you don't need to huff the smoke for the cancer. Take another step away from the chance. Burn it down, 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 Guinevere. Then take a shower in its ashes. See the fire to smell the gasoline. Toss another lit match to the breeze. Burn it down, 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 Guinevere. You burn the whole world.